Hello my dear students, today we are going to learn 6-member heterocyclic ring. Now let us see what we will learn in today's lecture. First one is the structure of pyridine, then properties of pyridine. There are different properties. First one is aromaticity, basicity, hydrogen bonding and tautomerism. Now let us see one by one. First, the structure of pyridine. Pyridine it is a 6-member heterocyclic ring with containing one heteroatom. Heteroatom it is a nitrogen. Here the structure of pyridine. Next, it is the aromaticity of pyridine. Pyridine have a 5 carbon and 1 nitrogen atom and all are sp2 hybridize. Okay, here the structure of pyridine. Pyridine having 5 carbon atoms and 1 nitrogen atom and all are sp2 hybridized. Therefore, the sp2 hybridization it is a planar and it makes a planar pyridine ring structure. Okay, therefore pyridine it is a planar in structure. Next, the each ring atom also contains unhybridized p orbital and that is perpendicular to the plane of sigma bonds. Okay, here each ring atoms means 5 carbons and 1 nitrogen atoms. All are one unhybridized p orbital and all are perpendicular to the sigma bonds. Okay, here 6 unhybridized p orbital, 5 for carbon atoms and 1 for nitrogen atom and all are perpendicular to the sigma bonds. Okay, this is the sigma bonds. Next, here the p orbitals are parallel to each other, so overlapping between p orbital it is a possible. Okay, here the presence of 6 p orbital for each atoms and all p orbitals are overlapped to each other. Okay, therefore the overlapping is possible. Here the total number of non-bonding electrons are 6, 5 for carbon and 1 for nitrogen atom. Okay, here the 6 non-bonding electrons are present. 5 for carbon atoms and 1 for nitrogen atom. Okay, this is the non-bonding electrons. It is a 6 non-bonding electrons. Therefore, the resonance of 6 electrons follows the Huckel's rule. Therefore, it is aromatic in nature. The Huckel's rule it is a 4n plus 2 pi electrons. Okay, here the n is equal to 1. Therefore, 4 into 1 plus 2 is equal to 6, which follows the Huckel's rule. Therefore, it is aromatic in nature. Next property, it is a basicity. Here, the pyridine is more basic than pyrrole. Here the structure of pyridine and here pyrrole. Pyridine it is a 6-member heterocyclic ring and with containing one heteroatom and heteroatom it is a nitrogen. And here the structure of pyrrole. Pyrrole it is a 5-member heterocyclic ring with containing one heteroatom and heteroatom it is a nitrogen. Okay. Here the structure of pyridine, here benzene, pyrrole. Here the reasons for why pyridine is more basic than pyrrole. Okay. Here the basicity depends on availability of lone pair. Okay. First, pyridine. Pyridine have the nitrogen have a lone pair of electrons. Okay, in same plane of pyridine, hybridized orbital plane. So it is not participate in resonance. Therefore, the lone pair is readily available for acid-base reaction. Okay, here the structure of pyridine. Here presence of 2 electrons, but they not participate in resonance. Therefore, they available for the donation, and they give the acid-base reaction. Okay, next the pyrrole. The nitrogen have a lone pair of electrons. They perpendicular to the plane of pyridine hybridized orbital plane. Therefore, it is a participate in resonance, and they do not really available for the acid base reaction. Okay, here the structure of pyrrole. Here also presence of 2 electrons, but they participate in the resonance. Therefore, the no availability of here acid base reaction takes place. Okay, next is a pyridine is less basic than aliphatic amines. Okay, here the structure of pyridine and here aliphatic amines. In this pyridine structure, the hybridization of this nitrogen atom, it is a sp2 hybridized, and this aliphatic nitrogen atom, the hybridization, it is a sp3. Okay, therefore the sp2 hybridization, it is a more electronegative than the sp3. In this nitrogen atom, the presence of 2 electrons, they do not readily available for acid base reaction. Therefore, pyridine, it is a less basic than aliphatic amines. Okay, here the basicity also depends on S character. As S character increases, basicity decreases, and vice versa. S character decreases, basicity also increases. Okay, next property, it is a tautomerism. Here the numbering is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is structure of 2-hydroxypyridine. Here the tautomeric structure involved when pyridine substituted at second and fourth number position. Okay, here the substituents are OH. They are present on second number position and fourth number position. Therefore, the tautomeric structures are possible. Okay, here the tautomeric structure. Here this lone pair of nitrogen abstract this proton or acid. Here formation of O minus and nitrogen carry here positive charge. Next step is delocalization takes place, and here formation of 2 pyridone. Okay, next property, it is a hydrogen bonding. Pyridine, it is a water soluble in nature. Okay, pyridine, it is soluble in water. Here the structure of pyridine, they are bonded to the water molecule, and here formation of hydrogen bonding. Okay.